Are you looking for ways to make money online as a beginner? If that's you, no problem. I have a solution for you. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you 10 best ways to make money online as a beginner. Let's go. I won't stop. What's going on, everyone? It's me, Melvin, and I'm back again with another video. On this channel, we talk about make money online, print on demand, how-to tutorials, and reviews. If this is content you like, do me a quick solid. Smash that like button, destroy that subscribe button, make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any future videos. And without further ado, let's move on with the content. Real quick, before we dive in, I want to share with you some ebooks that goes over a ton of ways to make money. Feel free to check it out for yourself. Link will be in the description. With all that said, let's move on with today's video. First way to make money online is with UGC, which stands for User Generated Content. Let's talk about what is UGC. UGC is pretty much content such as text, videos, images, reviews, etc. that is created by people such as you and I rather than the brand. Let's talk about how to get started with UGC. You start off by creating your portfolio that will show your work to the brands. Here's the tip: record videos of products you already have laying around in your home and use those videos in your portfolio. Next, you would want to reach out to brands via social media such as TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. You can even offer your UGC services on Fiverr and on Upwork. Next way to make money online would be to create and sell digital products. You want to brainstorm digital product ideas, research buyer pain points, and create a digital product based around that. What are some digital products you can create? You can create ebooks, informational guides, templates, planners, digital art, and the list goes on. Let's talk about how to sell your digital products to make money online. You want to start off by building your own website and selling on marketplaces such as AppSumo, Gumroad, and Etsy. Promote on social media, build an email list, and advertise via paid ads. Next way to make money online is to be a freelancer. Sell your services on Fiverr and on Upwork. Decide what services you would like to offer. Find your niche. What are you good at? Is writing, translation, editing, graphic design something you're good at? If so, you want to build your portfolio based around those skills. If you want to learn a certain freelance skill, you can go on Skillshare and take a course based on the skill you want to learn. Next step would be to list your services on Fiverr and on Upwork and start applying for gigs on those platforms. Next way to make money online is starting a YouTube channel. You see, YouTube is an amazing way to make money online. Do not look at YouTube as a competition. We are all unique in our own ways. Pick a niche you are passionate about and create content around that. Let's go over some ways to make money on YouTube. Once your channel gets monetized, you can join the YouTube Partner Program and get paid from Google AdSense. Next, you can sell your products, services, or merch on your channel. You can also do affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products and services on your channel and receive a commission. Next way to make money online would be dropshipping. First, you will set up a website or platform that you will be taking orders on. I recommend Shopify. Partner with the dropship wholesaler who will ship the products to your customer. Essentially, you want to decide on a wholesale price you want to sell your products for. In a nutshell, a customer places an order on your website, you forward that order and shipping details to the supplier. Your supplier packs and ships the products to your customer, and you keep the difference between the selling price and the wholesale price. Next way to make money online is going to be with print on demand. Print on demand is a business model that allows you to sell your designs directly to customers without having to store any inventory. Once a customer makes a purchase, the order is sent to a fulfillment company who will print and ship the products to your customer. Pretty much drop shipping. I recommend using a platform like Shopify, and once you're in Shopify, you can go over to apps and you can sit here and look for a print-on-demand fulfillment company of your choice that will handle the whole entire fulfillment process for you. I recommend Printful as an amazing fulfillment company for your print-on-demand business. Their quality and customer service is amazing, hands down. All you need is to have your store set up and have some designs that you would like to add on your products. I have a bunch of videos on my channel that talk about print on demand. Feel free to check them out. If you made it this far, I have a gift for you. To get you started with print on demand, I will be giving you 10 free PNG designs and 10 AI files, which is Adobe Illustrator files. All you have to do is just open up those files in Adobe Illustrator and you can edit those designs to make more designs. How cool is that? And the link will be in the description. Next way to make money online is gonna be with blogging. To start making money with blogging, you first need to figure out your blog's niche. Make sure you choose something you enjoy. Next, you're gonna wanna name your blog, sign up with a web hosting service such as Bluehost, design your WordPress blog, come up with interesting blog topics, ask questions. What are some of your readers' pain points and challenges? This next step is lucrative to make money online with blogging, and that is optimizing your blogs for SEO to help you rank higher in search engines for specific keywords and phrases. Really important, guys. Next way to make money online is gonna be selling online courses. First thing you will need to do is identify a specific niche. Define some pain points your target audience is facing. Ask yourself, how will you be solving those problems your audience is facing? Next, you're gonna wanna research some trending topics in your niche. After your research is done, you can start outlining your course. Next, you're gonna wanna select a selling platform for your online course, such as Udemy, Thinkific, Kajabi, Skillshare. I even recommend selling your online courses on an all-in-one platform such as System.io. After you have all that set up, you're gonna wanna start promoting your online course. Build an email list and leverage social media to start making money online, selling online courses. Next way to make money online is gonna be with affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is getting paid a commission for generating leads or sales for a product or service that you did not create yourself. Let's talk about how to get started with affiliate marketing. You're gonna wanna start off by creating a website or blog for your niche. Next, you're gonna wanna choose affiliate products to promote by joining an affiliate network such as ClickBank, Digistore24, Amazon Associates, and find products or services you would like to promote. Next, you would want to create content that generate affiliate commissions by simply inserting affiliate links within your content. A powerful way to generate passive income with affiliate marketing is to do email marketing. Grow an email list that you can always email with different affiliate offers. It's essential to grow that email list, guys. Next way to make money online is to be selling on eBay. eBay is one of the largest global online marketplaces, featuring approximately 1.3 billion product listings on any given day, guys. There's definitely money to be made on eBay. Let me just tell you that. First thing to do is choose and source products to sell. It can be products that you have in your home that you're decluttering, or products that you buy low and sell high. Next thing you're gonna wanna do is choose your eBay account. Create and verify a business account. Personalize your account and policies. Consider setting up an eBay shop, list your products, and receive payments. That easy. Alright, you guys, that pretty much wraps it up for today's video. If you found value in today's video, consider liking and subscribing. It really does help my channel and lets the YouTube algorithm know that it was a good video, and that way YouTube will recommend this video to other individuals as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.